Hey there, and welcome to the Thomas Index Report for the week of October 18th. In a strategic move to increase operational efficiency while simultaneously reducing costs, many industrial business leaders have recently been prioritizing sustainability throughout their facilities. Sustainable manufacturing, which the U.S. Department of Commerce defines as using industrial processes that minimize negative environmental impacts and are safer for both employees and consumers, has been gaining momentum lately amid what the United Nations calls the Decade of Action. A recent study from Oxford Economics highlighted that 65% of companies have created a clear mission statement around sustainability, with another 23% noting that they are in the process of developing such a statement, for a total of 88% of companies prioritizing sustainability. Similarly, in a recent SAP survey, 46% of industrial business leaders shared that sustainability is top of mind for them throughout the manufacturing process, and 68% of them have already reduced energy consumption at their businesses. And finally, Gen Z, the future generation of industrial buyers, is reported to be especially focused on sustainability as a core value, meaning that industrial business leaders should make it a priority in order to strengthen their brand reputations, build public trust, and ultimately connect with these future customers. Our data shows that sourcing on the thomasnet.com platform for repair services and eco-friendly products has been increasing steadily in a reflection of this trend. Pump repair services are up 49% year over year and 68% over last quarter. Machinery rebuilding services are up 110% over 2020 figures and up 580% over Q3 averages. In related areas, recycled plastic demand is up 88% year over year, and LED light demand is up 75% over the same time frame. Over the next quarter and into 2022, we expect to see sustainability, refurbishment, and waste reduction become even more central to manufacturing operations. I'm Tony Uphoff, and this is the Thomas Index Report.